Jammu Chamber had issued a call for Jammu Bandh on the 15th of Feb 2019. Resultantly, the state witnessed incidents of violence and harassment of our people. Lives and properties of our people were put to grave risk. Delicate secular fabric, regional peace and brotherhood were threatened. Our people in Jammu, Dehradun and other places were inflicted with injuries and pain. Our people had to run from place to place to save themselves from goons and hooligans. In the interest of promoting regional relations, the Kashmir Chamber and Jammu Chamber had agreed to support issues of common interest relevant to the trade bodies and not to create situations vitiating the atmosphere. Unfortunately, the Jammu Chamber has failed to live up to expectations. Forthcoming elections cannot be fought on the sweat and blood of our people. The attempts to gain political mileage out of tragedies is condemnable, and the Kashmir Chamber on its part will do everything to protect and safeguard the constitutional status of the state and will not allow its dilution at any cost.